Evening, tutor and classmates. My name is Cristian Camilo Huertas and I study industrial engineering. Today is the 14th of March in 2021. Next, I am going to present the concept map. Um, I am group 60, 66. Um, Favorable cost-benefit balance concept. The balance between cost and benefit is a profound constraint rather than a qualitative characteristic. The benefits derived from the information must exceed the cost of providing it. However, the evaluation of cost and benefit is substantially a process of value judgments. Causes in the current market, not protecting industrial designs can lead to us not having exclusive rights over what we create, and with this we can perhaps find in the market what is created without the right to claims for not being registered. Consequence: when we make a business creation, it is better to pay to register as our own or owner of the creation, since if no person is registered, and John can copy it, and we will have and right to claim it means that it has a cost. It is better to pay so that do not copy the creator. Thank you.